Understanding the phrase, be a looker. Hello, everyone. Welcome to our English language learning series. Today, we're diving into an interesting English phrase, be a looker. This phrase is commonly used in everyday English, and understanding its meaning and usage can really enrich your language skills. So, let's get started. Be a looker is an idiomatic expression in English. It means to be physically attractive or good-looking. This phrase is often used to describe someone who is visually appealing or has striking features. It's important to note that this phrase focuses purely on physical appearance. The term, looker, originally comes from the verb, to look. Over time, looker evolved to describe someone worth looking at, due to their attractive appearance. This usage became popular in everyday conversation and can be found in various forms of media and literature. To help you understand how to use be a looker in context, here are a few examples. 1. When she was young, she was quite a looker. 2. Everyone agrees that he's a looker with his charming smile. 3. You don't need to be a looker to succeed in Hollywood, but it often helps. Notice how the phrase can be used to refer to both past and present attractiveness, and it's applicable to both genders. While be a looker is a common phrase, it's essential to use it sensitively. Commenting on someone's physical appearance can sometimes be seen as superficial or inappropriate, depending on the context and your relationship with the person. Always consider the situation and the cultural norms of your audience. I hope this video helps you understand and use the phrase, be a looker, confidently in your English conversations. Remember, language is not just about words, but also about the context and culture in which it's used. Happy learning, and see you in our next video.